Hi everyone, I am Cemal Bulunmaz and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. In this video, we are studying different options, different attachments of our bestseller Bulunmaz lathe machine. And now I will introduce you how to make a round ring with that machine. How we make a round ring with Bulunmaz lathe machine? It's really easy because we have that attachment included in the machine when you buy it, and that attachment is used just to make basically left and right in a round shape. So you can make your round ring, and you can change the center of that attachment, so you can make a high radius or low radius. I will show you how to do it now. I will use 2mm 180 diamond tool. 180 means it's a flat tool, to clean that surface and make my round ring. Now I'm starting the operation. I just switch on the machine. It's a really quick process. You see, I do left and right. The only trick to make that is you must arrange the center of your ring, of your tool and the ring very well. That's an average size, average radius I'm using. So as you can see, my tool is grinding off my ring from left and right. When I come to the center, it means my round is completed. When I'm engraving, you see that spaghetti effect I call. So when you see that spaghetti kind of dust, that means your tool is cutting perfect. That process took kind of 30 seconds. It's a really quick process to grind with the 2mm 180 flat tool. Here is my ring. You can see I made an average radius. As I told, you can adjust the center of your lathe machine and make a high radius or lower radius. It's really easy. You can even make an inside round shape using that attachment. What I mean, if you pull back your your radius will go softer. But if you push that attachment from that point, not this point but that point, you must just push as close as possible to the ring, and then your machine will be able to make a concave ring. What I mean, let's see. For this model, for making a concave ring, I have to use a convex diamond tool. So I fix my 2mm convex diamond tool and I will start the operation. You see my tool is very close to the ring and I'm starting the operation. Here we go. Don't forget to put oil so your cutting will be smooth. As my attachment is very close to the ring, it's making the round shape, concave round shape, just opposite of the previous shape. That's really easy, don't worry about it. When you ever order our Bulunmaz jewelry lathe machine, we will give you training all about these models, and you can also watch different videos on our YouTube channel to learn more about such cutting. You see, I'm getting my concave shape. After making the concave shape, you can work on CNC machine, hand cutting, whatever you want, or you can sell your ring as it is. Ladies and gentlemen, my technician is getting crazy as we success better models. So let's get a close look on my model. That's a concave ring, is it? My concave ring is here. Let's get a close look. Let's get a close look on our concave ring. I just take it out and you see I made exactly opposite of my concave ring using my 2mm convex diamond tool. Convex, concave, all this information is looking complicated for you. Don't worry about it. I will put all the explanation how to make this ring on the description below. I will describe which tools you have to use for which design, and you can get much better idea. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you have any kind of questions, you can leave on the comments below. I will be more than happy to answer you. In this video, I explained to you about our convex attachment on our Bulunmaz jewelry lathe machine, and I have more videos explaining about the different options, different abilities of our machine. Just click the descriptions below and see the links of each video. See you soon again here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel.